Hello, Clear Brow, North Dallas, 2023 Z6 Corvette. Full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, and that is all that was done to this. So let's take a walk around, and it's just like our Stingray versions of the C8. Making sure, obviously, that all this has no notches, no relief cuts. Everything gets wrapped in, the whole section. Our emblems come off, they're easy enough, so there's no lines around them from plotters or cutting. All this, again, is still wrapped in, all wrapped in. Front hood fenders, all into the headlight areas, all wrapped in. Our bumper on this is different than the first C8 that came out, the Stingray. This one has a lot of different features and different configurations. So all this gets wrapped in here because all this is painted. Some of it has different components to it, but every piece on here gets wrapped in and folded over. So everything is wrapped around all the edges, all the edges. And there's also an upgrade to it for a splitter that goes on, that sticks out even further down here. This model is the base model. So this is what you would see without any of the options. But it still comes quite loaded, obviously. Coming around these fenders, we make sure there's no marks in them. Everything's wrapped, all wrapped in from the door to the fender to the backside and the door to the backside. The mirrors, no lines around them, no seams. Everything is clean. The mirrors, all done nice and clean. Our A-pillars, and getting into our roof, fully wrapped. And most of the patterns that people use have a seam here. I do everything custom and in one piece, fully wrapped around with no edges. All these are wrapped in. So that's your head pan right there. That's your roof. That's the back side of the roof. Everything looks fantastic. Coming around over here, all wrapped in. These back deck lid pieces here are fully wrapped in. No chances of seeing any seams. Fully wrapped in. The trunk, again, is fully wrapped in. The spoiler's fully done. The quarters, the Z6 were removed, put back in place. Coming around over here, all the rockers fully wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. And coming around the back side, the bumper, much easier, I think, than the Stingray version. There's some Corvette letters back here, but they're on back order. We have to get them. They're a different configuration. This gets all wrapped in, even in the plate area. Everything's nicely wrapped under the lights. Everything's nicely wrapped in here. And then coming around our back side, all wrapped in both sides, trunk, deck lid, and rear quarter. Into the fuel port, no lines, fully wrapped. Doors, fully wrapped underneath this molding. So really, there's no lines at all so far. The car is super clean, all wrapped up, so we don't chance anything lifting later. You would have to get into an accident in this, God forbid. And then our back side of here is fully wrapped, and our corners are topped off on everything. So there it is, nice clean install on the 23 Z6 Corvette. Looking great, the car's fantastic, and it sounds like a Ferrari. So there you go, clearbrow.northdallas.com. Let me start it up real quick. Maybe we can let you hear this new sound for this car. If I can find the key. Hold on one second. Here's a really cool car right here. I don't know who owns that car, but that thing's super nice. All right, let's start this up so you guys can hear the sound of the new American V8. Okay, here we go. Let's stick it out here. Maybe we can hear it. Well, sounds better than the Porsche, but there you go. If you haven't heard it, that's the new sound of that V8 that's in the Z06. And thanks for watching. ClearBraNorthDallas.com. Have a great day.